by saying no to impunity, yes to the full application and observance of the rule of law, which is our guiding principle in this country, and the Constitution 2010. We sat patiently here when you were taking other pleas, and sorry I had to rush at the time to a crematorium cremation. Our friend's mother. I thank Paul for holding brief. I think I've been given a list of council who are associated with this matter. It's an impressive list. These are not men and women who are seeking vain glory or showing political support to Jimmy Wajingi. These are senior citizens who want to call out impunity. And although some be political leaders like Paul himself or my father Eugene Amalwa, I think our sister mother was also on record. But they also are senior, they're also members of the legal fraternity. And if I can quote what my colleague Wajingi said yesterday when we went to Kamukunji police station, the judiciary is our last line of defense. If we are going to still remain as a country under the rule of law, the country that is a democratic state. Therefore, we intend to move with speed and call out the men in the executive, all in utter disregard of a restraining order, went ahead and abducted. Your Honor, the gentleman in your presence is an abductee. Because anything done contrary to the law cannot be anything else other than that. And so we urge you to make history. One of the resolutions, Your Honor, that the recent Law Society Conference came up with from Diane Kwale was that members of the Law Society will be calling out even judicial officers who occasionally receive telephone calls from the executive when they are about to write important decisions. Your Honor, I believe you don't fall in that category. You will overcome any temptation to get any interference from any court when you are discharging your duty. And in this matter, the whole country is watching. Therefore, I completely I want to submit yet again, in accordance with what my friends have said, it is not proper to take a plea of this matter. But you can issue, stay as senior counsel, John Amino has argued, submitted very ably. And then you go down in the history books of this country as a defender of human rights. We know that some of these human rights crusaders are called upon, they are served with documents from KRA asking them to submit their tax returns or get inflated bills. We can't afford it in this country anymore. And Jimmy Wajingi is just a test case. Whether we are going to go backwards or go forwards and applaud the rights which are guaranteed, human rights guaranteed in our Constitution 2010. I submit, Your Honor.
Your Honor, the rationale of a stay which we are seeking or deferment of plea is because the appellant cannot answer to charges when the issues of probativeness of those charges are at play. Lastly, Your Honor, a stay can be granted based on discretionary judicial power. You have that power, Your Honor. Sorry?
Repeat that.
I'm saying a deferment of plea or a stay is an judicial discretion, whereby a judicial officer exercising his judicial mind can grant it.